Did you know that you can edit every field label on Chargent Payment Request? At Chargent, our goal is to make payments simple for our customers. Our product team is always working hard to create and refine Chargent to be as easy as possible to use. At Chargent, we also have awesome customers who share their ideas on how to make our products even better. And you know what? We listen. This video and this feature improvement stems from a few of our awesome customers. Thank you to all of our customers that make Chargent feature requests. These customers wanted us to make field labels customizable on the payment request pay form. This makes it easier for your customers to fill out the pay form and also lowers the number of failed payments due to incomplete or incorrect information. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Salesforce tools to update the field labels on your payment request pages. You can do this in different languages or just one language, or you can override the field labels to be more familiar to your industry or region. The choice is yours. My name is Randy, and I'm from Chargent. If you're a Salesforce admin or consultant who wants to learn about payments and be a superstar for your organization, then you're in the right place. If you're not familiar with payment request, let me briefly say that this is one of Chargent's most popular features. It allows you to send a secure link to your customer so that they can go to a Salesforce site, enter their payment data into a secure pay form, and submit a payment. One more thing I want you to be aware of is that you can reduce your accounts receivable and collections challenges in Salesforce with Chargent. Learn how Chargent can make your payment processes configurable and automated, saving you time and money. Get this expert guide in the description of this video. In this video, we assume that you have already set up and configured payment requests. If you haven't done that yet, check out this video first or visit our website for documentation on payment request setup. Per Salesforce best practices, it is recommended to test and update any changes in Sandbox before implementing in production. So log into a Sandbox and follow along. Step 1. Enable Translation Workbench and configure translation language setting. In order to update the field labels on the payment request pay form, you need to first enable Translation Workbench. Navigate to Salesforce Setup using the gear icon. Type translation into the quick find. Select Translation Language Settings. Enable Translation Workbench if you have not already. Use the Add button to create a new language. Use the language pick list to select English, even if your org's default language is already English. Use the Search Users or Available list, and then use the arrow buttons to add users to the selected list, and click Save. Step 2. Update the field labels. Now we will use the Salesforce Custom Label tool to update the field labels. Navigate to Salesforce Setup with the gear icon. Type Custom into the quick find. Select Custom Labels. Select the field you want to update, billing state for example. Click New Translation/Overrides. Select English from Language Pick List. Enter your desired field label in the translation text and click Save. Pro tip, there's only one payment request page form regardless of how many payment request templates or processes you may have. For that reason, if you serve customers in multiple languages, consider using slash marks to use multiple languages in one field. Step 3. Check your work. Let's go create a new payment request to check out your handiwork. In this step, you will see why it's great to work in a sandbox. You can use existing records without affecting your true data or emailing actual customers. To test, let's use the AppFrontier. Type payment request in the quick find and select. Use the New button to create a new payment request record. Select any existing Chargent order. Anyone will do. That's the beauty of a sandbox. If you do not have an existing Chargent order, you will need to create one as a payment request is a child object of a Chargent order. Select payment request. Use the email address field to enter your email address. Add any notes you might like. Test is handy in these cases. Use the Send Request button. Navigate over to your email and use the payment request hyperlink to launch the site. Look at that beautiful pay form with your new labels. Your customers will be able to better understand what information you need in order to process their payments. I hope this will result in fewer payment failures for your organization due to incomplete or incorrect information. And now, check out this next video where you will learn how to set up the Chargent Payment Request system. My name is Randy, and at Chargent, we're dedicated to helping Salesforce customers like you keep your payments simple. And remember, we're always here to help.